Hello friends, good morning all of you, and let's continue. Okay, so in previous session we people have done with noun and other few examples based on different aspects of noun that we people have done. Okay, so in today's session we will go for the next part of that basic grammar, and that can be pronoun today, or maybe if it is possible we'll just go for next part also. Okay, so immediately without wasting much of time, let's continue. I will share the screen and all you people just ensure that you people are going to see the screen clearly, as well as the voice is audible to you. So just for 1 minute I'll set the screen and then we people can continue. All right. So someone just reply if it is okay. Voice is okay. Screen is okay. Everything is okay. Or is it not audible?
Sir.
Okay.
Audible, sir.
Okay. Sakshi, thank you. So let's begin with this pronoun. Okay. So when you just start with pronoun, or we people have done with noun also, in that case we'll come to know that noun is used for different purposes. It can be a subject, it can be object, it can be complement, it can be something like this that we people have done. Okay, so therefore we people use noun at various places in our communication, in our writing, or in speech also. So in another case, let's try to talk about one person. Let's take one example that we'll take Rohit. Okay, so we'll just try to write about Rohit is a good boy, and again I will talk about, let's say, Rohit is clever, or I will talk about Rohit is hardworking and something like this. If I would like to continue, so here every time you'll find that there is repetition. Repetition of what? Repetition of noun. Which noun is repeated? Rohit is repeated. Okay. So here and everywhere, if you are going to continue with this paragraph, you'll come to know that there is a kind of repetition of noun. Okay. So we wanted to avoid this repetition. We wanted to just not to use every time this noun, and so therefore we people need to use another word. Okay, and what can be that another word? Another word can be this pronoun. Okay, so what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. And why it is used instead of noun? To avoid the repetition of noun. Okay, so repetition is not okay all the time. If you are just repeating, that will not be okay. It will not be convenient. It does not sound good. Okay, so therefore we people are going to avoid this repetition, and for that we people are going to use pronoun. So that is simple meaning and definition of pronoun for all of you. Okay, so with this we people will go to the next slide, and we people will try to talk more about that. What are the types of pronoun that we people will consider here? So in case of types, we people will talk about personal pronoun here. Okay, so in case you'll see this chart or table, and you will come to know that this table will, in simply, you people can get clear idea about all the three persons. Which three persons? First person, second person, and third person. Okay, so what is first person? When I'm talking, when I'm just using the word for the pronoun, that is first person. Or if it is we, in that case it is first person. Okay, Pranali Gaikwad, is it necessary to send roll numbers into chat box right now immediately? It is not required, so don't send. Nobody will send. At the end I'm going to take attendance, so not necessary. Stay connected, Pranali. Don't leave immediately, because if you're just sending attendance right now, it means that you may just leave this class. So don't leave. Okay. So second person is something that if I'm talking with you people, that is second person. and it can be a single person. Right now I was talking with Pranali, that was second person, and it was with only Pranali I was talking, so it was singular. And right now I'm talking to all of you people as a class, so it becomes this second person you. Okay, and then we people have third person. Third person means someone who is not here present, and I'm just referring someone, so that can be he or she or it, so together we call it singular. And if we are talking about a group of people or someone who is in many, in that case it becomes third person plural they. Okay, so first person singular I, first person plural we. So we people got these personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. So they are called personal pronouns. Okay, so in next column you can see here objective. So what is objective? Objective is nothing but objective case of all those pronouns. Usually you people use them while you are changing passive voice. So I becomes me, something like this. So I, we, us, you, that you also remains you, he, him, she, her, it remains same as it is it, they becomes them. So this is called objective of these pronouns. Then here you people have possessive adjective. So what is possessive adjective? Possessive adjective is nothing but that shows possession. Possession means that ownership, or you have something. For that purpose, we people use this possessive adjectives. For example, my. So we people can just take one example with this my. You can consider like this. This is my car. Okay. So in that case, here my shows possession. What do I have? I have a car, in simple words. Okay, so this is called possessive adjectives. Okay, our, what can be our? It can be our house, our bungalow, our farm, our class, our college, something like this. You people can consider. The next, you people have your. You can say your talent, your class, your marks, your book, your pen, your mobile. Here it is in plural. Okay, so again you can say your garden, your farm, your something like this. Okay, his nature, his attitude, so many things you people can consider. Her is here. It's, again, in case of it's, you should be clear with its and its. Which it's? The first you people can get this it's, and another it will be apostrophe it's. So what is the difference between these two it's? So here this it shows possession. Okay, and this it shows the contraction form of it is. This it means it is. Okay, so therefore you just be clear, it's and its, both are pronounced same, it's and its. But you should know, if it is without apostrophe, it means there is possession, and if it is apostrophe yes, it means it is. Okay, then we people have they there. Okay, so that you can see here there, you can say there, uh, something like this. You can take a lot of examples. As I have given my car, you can see their home, their house, their bungalow, their car, their pet, and so many things. Then in next column also you people can see possessive pronouns. So possessive adjective and possessive pronouns, you'll come to know that they are same but they cannot be used exactly. So you can see mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. But you can see the difference now. If I have given this example, this is my car. Now you can just see the similar example I'm going to tell you. This car is mine. Okay, in that case you'll come to know now the difference is with this and mine. Okay, so in case of this, it is pronoun. Okay, in case of this it is adjective. Okay, now talk about my and mine. Here my car, here my is adjective, and mine is pronoun. Okay, so that is so simple. You can see here we people have clearly mentioned possessive adjective. So my car, my is adjective. Possessive pronoun, mine, this car is mine, mine is pronoun here. Okay, so are you clear with personal pronoun or any questions? Someone just reply yes, no. You can send me something in chat box also. Are you getting it? Is it clear? Okay. So thank you, Pranali, for responding. I can see almost here 53-4 students are there, but how they are getting it, how they are understanding it, I'm not sure, until and unless you people are going to say something. Okay, so with this, we people will go to the next slide, and on next slide, you people are going to have another type, and that type can be reflexive pronoun also, or they can be used as emphatic pronoun also. Okay, here also the similar first person, second person, third person is there, singular, plural is as it is, and personal pronouns are all as it is. But you'll see the column here that is like this: I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself, you, yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. Here you will come to know self is singular and selves is plural. So therefore, we is plural, so ourselves. I is singular, so self. You is singular, so self. You is plural, so selves. He, she, it is singular, so self. They is plural, so selves. So that you people need to understand here also. And examples you can just try to see. It can be like this: I myself completed the work. You can say like this, or you can say another example also like this: she, her, herself. Okay, in this case, first example, I myself is reflexive and she, her, herself is emphatic. If immediately after pronoun, if you are going to use reflexive, it is going to be reflexive, and if you are going to use it afterwards, then it is going to be emphatic. Okay, so don't get confused with reflexive and emphatic. It's okay if you are not clear with this, but you should be clear with I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself, you, yourselves, and all those. Okay, then let's go to the next slide, and on next slide we people have next type, that is called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so what do you mean by demonstration? Demonstration means to show something. Okay, and here to show something we people use these four pronouns. Which four pronouns? This, these, that, those. And these people have classified into four types. Which four? First, that is singular and plural. How? These and that, they are singular. Okay, and these and those, they are plural. Okay, now based on their use, we people can consider here this and these, they're used to show something which is near to you. For example, if you can say like this: this is my pen. In this case, pen is with you. Okay, or you can take plural example like these: these are my books. In this case, books are near to you. So this and these, they are used to show objects or things or people which are near to you. Okay, let's take example of that. That is my home. In that case, you're standing away from your home and you're pointing towards home and you're showing it to somebody. It can be your friends or something like that. Is my home, something like this. And then we people will talk about those. So those are my, let's say, friends. Okay, in that case also your friends are away from you and you may be showing it to your maybe father, mother, brother, or somebody, and you're pointing towards your friends and you're saying those are my friends. So in that case, friends are away from you. So this kind of meaning is with these pronouns and they are called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, then let's go to the next slide here, and people will talk in short about indefinite pronouns. They are all some few: everyone, everybody, none, nobody, many, anyone, someone, because they are indefinite. We are not sure. So here all means you cannot get exact or definite someone. So therefore, or some or few or everyone, they're all referring to indefinite people, person or thing. So therefore, they are called indefinite pronouns. The next type we people have, that is called interrogative pronouns. So here you have who, whom, which, what. When they are used to ask a question like this, if I ask you who is there, here who is interrogative pronoun. Okay. Then again here you have distributive pronouns like this, each, either, neither. In that case, they are called distributive pronouns. Each one of you gets a prize. Okay? So in that case, each is your distributive pronoun. And again here you people have relative pronouns. So who, whom, whose, which, what, when they are not used to ask a question. Here also who, whom, which, but they are used to ask a question. Here they are not used to ask a question. So here you can uh, get one example I would like to give. The man who is there is our teacher. Something like this. The man who is, let's say, standing there. The man who is standing there is our teacher. So in this case, here you are getting this who. So who is not asking question anything, but it is giving additional information about man. So therefore, it is relative pronoun. Okay. So something like this you people have to remember. So that's all about types. I hope that I have made it clear in short, because I'm not teaching it in deep, but I'm just a kind of revision is here. So I hope that all of you are clear with this. And with this, now we people are going to move towards the next, and next you people are going to see some exercise. Okay. So with this, I would like to say that you people have to follow same name and format to join. I can see Chaitanya Sandole, roll number 34, and Prathamesh Survase. Still you are having F68. So now you are not in division F. Mansi, your direct second year students, it's okay. Pranali Gaikwad, you have to rename yourself. So Chaitanya, Prathamesh, and Pranali, all of you have to follow, rename yourself. I can see all the students, they are just following the format that I can show you people, that it can be like this, SA, SA, then your immediately 2-digit roll number, don't use space after SA, and after that give one space, and then here your first name is going to come. So this format has to be followed by everybody. So I can see here Prathamesh Survase, if it is audible, please rename yourself. Pranali, rename yourself. Pooja, you have to just follow this. And Rishikesh, roll number 77. Pooja, roll number 18. Pranali, Pranali Gaikwad, as you are sending your attendance into chat box, instead of sending into chat box, you just rename in this way. Chaitanya, I think that Chaitanya is also not following this. Otherwise, see, remember, few people, though you are attending the class, your attendance will not be marked. All right. So we are going to move towards the next, because this is the instructions which I already given to you. And if you are not following, it means you will be absent for this class. So let's go to the next slide, and you people can see the question which is here. So question is about pronoun, and it says choose the correct sentence here. Okay, and here options are like this: those books are of I, those books are my, those books are mine, and those books are I's. Okay, so people can think that what option is correct for you, and you can answer. You can answer through chat box, as well as poll is in front of you. You can click the correct option. So the poll will be available just for 30 seconds. So immediately all of you have to hit your option A, B, C, D. Immediately take your answer. And in chat box, I got response from Mayuri, and she's having option C. Okay, and in poll also I can see almost 64% people have chosen option C, but still there are 29% people they have just chosen option B also, and 7% people chose option A also. So let's try to come to the answer here. So when we people talk about pronoun, you'll come to know those books are of I. We don't say like this. Here those books are my. No, after my is possessive adjective. So after my, some noun is required. So it is not here. Those books are mine. Sounds good. So can be answer. Those books are I's. We don't call it I's also. So what came to answer, final answer, it will be option C. So as I can see from Ankita, Pranali and Mayuri, they have just came with option C, and here 64% people chose option C, and that's answer. Okay. All of you ensure that you got it right. Okay. So answer is those books are mine. Okay, so with this we will move towards the next question. So next question is in front of you. It says fill in the blank with appropriate pronoun, and for this sentences one should not boast of dash merits. And for this question you people have options, whether it is his merits, her merits, one's merits, or its merits. You think about it and answer. Poll is in front of you. So still Prathamesh Survase, you have not renamed. Pranali Gaikwad, you are not listening. Pooja Ingre and Rishikesh, both of you are also not listening. Remember this. Rishikesh Jete, roll number 77. Pooja Ingre, roll number 18. Pranali Gaikwad, Prathamesh Survase. You people have to rename yourself. Okay, all right. So with this, now we are just going to see what will be the correct answer. Poll has been closed. So in chat box, I think there is no answer this time. Okay, let it be. Or maybe you're not able to come to the answer. But still here I can see in poll, 57% people have chosen option C. Okay, so let's try to understand here. What is your pronoun in the beginning? It is one. So it is quite simple. What you are going to choose, it's supposed to be, it will be one's. Okay, it can't be his. Okay. So you cannot choose this. Hers is not appropriate here. Its is also not appropriate here. So what is going to be answered here? Option C is going to be answered here. Okay, so ensure that all you people got it right, that option C once is the right answer for this question. One should not boast of one's merits. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Here also you people are getting the same question. Fill in the blank with appropriate pronoun, and here your sentence is the person dash gave this present was my great uncle. Okay, and for this you people have options that, who, whose, or none. And here you people are getting your poll that you can answer. Immediately I got response from Mansi, and she came with option B. Oh, who? So let's try to see how many people were coming with your answers. Pranali and Mayuri, both of you are also having option B. So let's see, wait for just 10 more seconds. Okay, so after the poll will be available just for 30 seconds. All you people have to understand. Within that 30 seconds only, people have to choose your option. If you miss the poll, you can answer through chat box, or you can answer in both ways, that chat box as well as poll. So the person dash give this present, this is called relative clause, and here you people are, you have to give pronoun which is related with what? Which is related with the person. So for the person, we don't use that. Okay, So if we say the person whose gave, we don't use whose also. None is not suitable here. So what is left? What is going to be answer here? All of you, those who thought of this option, they are all right. That is who. So let's try to read the sentence with this option. The person who gave this present was my great uncle, and it makes sense. So it means that it is okay. It is answer. Okay. So who is answer? So all of you are right. Okay. So with this, we people will move towards the next slide with next question. And this says fill in the blank with appropriate pronoun. And for this, you people have sentence. They offered dash a good job. And for this, you people are having options like I, me, my, myself. Okay, so all of you ensure that you are going to choose it right and you can answer through poll. So this time I got answer from Harshada. So she came with option B. Mayuri came with option B. And I think that this is a very simple question. So I expect everybody should get the answer. Mansi, you are also having option B, that is me. And Pranali, you are also with option B. Sakshi, you are also with option B. Okay. Mansi, you are also having option B. Adishakti also. All right. So that is quite simple question. It does not require any explanation because you cannot say they offered I a good job. How does it sound like? It sounds irrelevant. You cannot say they offered my a good job. You don't say my a good job. They offered myself. That is also not okay. But it is natural and it sounds good. It makes sense to call they offered me a good job, and that is complete sentence. So therefore, answer is option B. That is me. Okay. Then let's go to the next question. Next question is in front of you. It says similar type of question. So I will not read this question. I will read the sentence. The lady dash the police caught was a terrorist. And for this sentence, you people have options who, whose, whom, which. Here, you people have to answer through poll, and poll is in front of you. So I got answer from Mansi. Others respond. Chaitrali is also with option C, Mansi and Chaitrali. All right, so here I can see Arshad also with option C. You people are able to see that many may tend to choose option A because the lady who the police caught, but that is not correct. So nobody is going to choose option A. And in poll also I can see nobody has chosen option A, but there are some who people have chosen B and D also. So it is not okay. Lady who's the police caught, it is not okay. And which is also not okay. The lady which the police caught, that is also not okay. But if you read the sentence with this option, you'll get the meaning. You'll understand something. The lady whom the police caught was a terrorist. Okay, so therefore option C is answer here, and that is okay. That is correct. So I can see out of, let's say, 54 students are here, but only 10 to 20 students are active who are answering through poll, and there are 4-5 students who are answering through chat box. So it is a kind suggestion for all of you. Just be active, take part in this, and it shouldn't be just you are connected, but you are not active. Let it be. It is your question. You decide. Choice is yours. You are now quite mature, whether you are just learning it or you are just making it a show that you are attending a class, but actually you are not attending and you are not getting anything. So in that case, you are going to deceive yourself only, not your parents, not your teachers, or not your nobody in fact. but you are just making your own laws. Let it be. So whom is the correct answer for this question? With this, all we people, with next question, it says, the opportunity dash is lost forever. And for this, you people are having options: when, what, that, which. And here you people have to answer. Poll is in front of you. Meanwhile, I can say Chetrali is with option D and Harshada is with option C. So a kind of confusion between option C and D. So let's see who is going to choose right option between C and D. So you got here 50-50, that is option C and D. Mansi is with which? Mayuri is with option D. Again, Mansi Salgar with option D. Pranali with option D. And let's try to see how you people can choose the option, which option. So already I have told you when and what, very irrelevant. So your two options are eliminated. You have to think between these two, C and D. Okay. So here, what is your noun? Your noun is opportunity. Okay. Pragati is also with option which. So which is going to suit here? That is going to, because for non-living things we people use which. Okay. So therefore, option D, which is the answer for this question. You can't go for option C. Okay. With this, we'll go to the next question. And next question is in front of you. It says, she went to the movie with a dash two children. I think this is quite simple question. His, him, her, and she. So I got an answer from Harshada. So all of you just answer. This is quite very simple question. So Mansi is also with answer her. Okay. Adi Shakti is also with option C. And Mayuri is also with option C. Sakshi is also with option C. Pranali is also with option C. So let's try to see. She went to the movie with. So when it is with, it shows that the people have to choose appropriate pronoun, that is her. So all these three, you cannot choose his because pronoun is she. So with she, you cannot choose his or you cannot choose him as well. And she is in first person, so you cannot choose she. We require that her, that is an objective case, and that is going to be answer here. So she went to the movie with her two children. So that is going to make you sense. Okay. So I think that was some of the questions with this pronoun. So just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so that was all about pronoun. I hope that that was the last question based on pronoun, or there is one more question. Yes, so you can answer this question as well. This might be probably the last question. And this question says Dash is an American dog, and here you people have it's, they, it, or he. And answer for this question. So what do you think? Mansi saying it. Mayuri is with option C. Harshada is with option C. Suraj is with option D. Adishakti is with option C, and Pragati with option C. So here in this case, dog. So dog is an animal, okay? And for that, we people do not use pronoun he or she, but we people use it. So therefore, Suraj, you can just try to understand that we call it is. Okay, it will be okay. It is an American dog. We don't call it he is an American dog. Usually for men and women or human beings, we people use he or she. For non-living things and for the living things whose gender is not fixed, for such things we people use pronoun it. So therefore for dog we people are going to use it is an American dog. So with this we have closed the session based on pronoun. Okay, so we'll take attendance and then we'll go for next. What is it? So still Prathamesh Survase has not renamed yourself. Pooja Ingre and Rishikesh Jete. Ensure that you people are going to mark your attendance. So stay connected, we'll take attendance. I can see very few students are here, 51 students are connected. I will mark first of all present numbers. So 135, then 678, 9, 10, 11. Then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 23, 25, 26, 30, 32, 33, 35, 36, 38, 42, 46, 47, 48, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 60, 61, 63, 64, 66, 69, 70, 71, 73, 75, 76. So here I can see someone with division B 18, Krishna Bhosle. Krishna Bhosle, if you have any roll number of your second year, in that case, you just try to tell me, Krishna. And here is again someone with F68, Prathamesh Survase. I don't know your roll number. If you have a roll number of second year, in that case, you just try to tell me. Otherwise, let's see that absent numbers for today's class 2, 4, then 12, 21, 22, 24, 27, 28, 29, 31, 34, 37, 39, 40, 41, 43, 44, 45, 49, 51, 56, 57, 58, 59, 62, 65, 67, 68, 72, 74, 78. So these are absent numbers for today's class. If anyone is present out of these numbers, you just let me know that you are present for today's class. So are you present out of these absent numbers, anyone? Prathamesh Survase, if it is audible, just tell me your roll number. Otherwise, you are getting connected, but your attendance will not be marked. Krishna Bhosle, I think that you are not connected with mic, so it is not audible to you at all? So there is no chance to reply me. All right. So I think that we have closed this topic today. So better we'll stop here. We'll close here. We'll continue with some other topic in next session. So any questions? If you have, you can feel free to ask me. Any difficulty? Do you have any questions? If not, then we are going to stop here today and we'll continue with next topic in next section. So someone just reply yes, no. Should we end this meeting? Should we stop here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So Krishna Bhosle, right now you got your roll number 31. Be active.